volcano erupts. So I have sodium mixed with citric acid, and I'm going to take 1 tablespoon of it and pour it into the volcano.
Okay, now put it into the bowl. What was that?
Okay, Lena, now you pour the water in.
Okay, and then explode.
Whoa! Using that red stuff.
It's bubbling!
Pour in a bit more, see what happens.
Whoa! Whoa, it's making a big mess! Whoa, that's very messy.
Pour in just a teeny bit more. Oh yes, that's a big mess. It's fizzing inside the volcano.
It's fizzing already. Wow, wow, wow. How does it do that so much?
The citric acid is dangerous, so you should probably ask an adult to mix it with the sodium.
Yeah, so ask our dog to help you.
And also for this kit, you have to make a plaster and then paint it.
Yeah, plaster and paint it. So we already painted it's a volcano. So we already made a plaster though. But we have one idea. What's that?
Okay, and it also comes with rocks too.
Yeah.
And here's a rock.
And here's another rock. It looks like this, but it's so sunny. See? Sun on my hands. So let's put them back over here so nobody will lose it.
Okay.
Just a bit of water left, and then that's it.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Don't forget to subscribe for our videos.